The world's reliance on digital technologies is increasing rapidly, and so is the ICT's consumption of global electricity. That is why UNITY-6G is rethinking how our networks are built. The aim of the project is to make them smarter, greener, and more resilient. UNITY-6G combines technologies such as artificial intelligence, edge and cloud computing, distributed ledgers, and next-generation access networks to deliver sustainable 6G networks, balancing energy efficiency and performance. The project features 4 innovative use cases. In times of disaster, UNITY-6G keeps communities connected. Using renewable-powered local networks, edge AI, and satellite links, it ensures critical rescue operations continue without interruption. UNITY-6G enables real-time XR and holographic collaboration. From industrial design to remote emergency support, experts can work together in shared 3D spaces, with low latency, adaptive streaming, and energy-efficient delivery. What if networks could predict problems before they occur? The UNITY-6G digital twin creates a living replica of the network, allowing operators to test, optimize, and prevent failures. UNITY-6G delivers time-sensitive, wireless connectivity for Industry 4.0. From collaborative robots to autonomous vehicles, the system ensures ultra-reliable, low-latency communication, all managed through a unified AI-powered 6G platform. From disaster zones to digital factories, UNITY-6G is setting the standards for a sustainable, intelligent future. Follow us to stay up to date on our activities.